But I am going to make some pickled Vietnamese carrots and daikon radish. If you don't know what a daikon radish is, it is a long radish like this. It is kind of sweet, but it's also spicy. So in this bowl, I have, I think it's a medium carrot and a piece of that daikon radish. I'm trying to have the same amount of each one. I have half a cup of warm water in this measuring cup. It's 125 milliliters. 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar. You can use distilled white vinegar, that's fine. A teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of salt. This, and I actually want it to be a little sweeter, so I'm going to put about half a teaspoon more of sugar. So let's coat everything and let's press those vegetables into the liquid. Let this marinate for about 2 hours. You know, if you wanted to make this in advance, you could keep this in a closed jar in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. So I have roughly 2 cups of black beans in this bowl. I soaked them overnight, boiled them in some water with salt, and then I did drain them as well as I could. I want this to be, you know, on the dry side so that our burgers aren't too soft. If you're using canned, make sure you drain the beans and you soak them, okay? Wash them off. You don't want to have the residue of whatever liquid they're soaking in the can. I'm going to mash some of this with a fork. Let's say half of it mashed. A cup of cooked quinoa. You can use white, red, black. I'm using red. Large garlic clove, which I minced. 2 scallions, which I chopped the whole thing, white, light green, dark. Half a cup of breadcrumbs. Put half a teaspoon of cumin. I'm going to put about, a quarter teaspoon of chili, of crushed chili peppers into this. Put salt and pepper in here. We don't want these to be too sticky. We want to be able to flip them in the pan and cook them without them getting destroyed. I'm going to add about a quarter cup more of breadcrumbs. That has a consistency which I'm happy with. This has chili peppers in it, so if you're sensitive to that, wear some gloves. I'm going to make them as big as you like. This out. They're not super sticky, they're great. And it's a protein bomb. I'm going to let these chill in the fridge until I'm ready to cook them, but I would suggest you have them in there for, 20 minutes, okay? You know, everything in here is cooked, so what we really want to do is just brown it on both sides and heat it through, and it's ready to serve. Oh, look at that. Nice and brown. I have 2 slices of cucumber on top of this bun. I did not peel them because they are organic. Add some of those pickled veggies and a little bit of cilantro. Hey, if you hate cilantro, don't put it on. I am not going to put any sauce in this. I think this is perfect with the veggies as it is. Mmm.